And away they go. Touch of class from the outside is precious metal. Diamond Magic bootlegs moving up by the rallies. Hokey hook. It's now touch of class followed by precious metal. Diamond Magic racing third by the rally bootlegs racing fourth. Down on the inside fifth. Hokey hook. Then comes Pivotal. Live in Manila in between runners down on the inside Stormtrooper, Winning Habit, Magical Halo, Banay, Rosy Eyes, and Simple Beauty is running at the tail of the field. Three runners fighting around for the lead. Precious Metal by Appleland, followed by Diamond Magic, Touch of Glass, Bootlegs. Down on the inside, Live in Manila on the further outside, Winning Habit and Stormtrooper as they race the final corner. Bootlegs at the center. Live in Manila from the outside, Precious Metal down on the inside. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Bootlegs by Hapalang. Live in Manila on the outside, Magical Halo down on the inside, Precious Metal. And nearing the finish line, number 4, Bootlegs. Live in Manila, Magical Halo, close Stormtrooper, Precious Metal, and close for 6th post.